Hello everyone, welcome back to Just of Maths. Today we are going to learn the simplification of the fraction. You can check out the other videos on fraction by clicking on the I button or the link that are given below in the description box. So without any delay, let's get started. To do the simplification, we must know a rule called Badmash. It's a sequence in which the operations has to be executed. In the word Badmash, each of the letter has a meaning. That is, B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and A stands for subtraction. So, in this sequence, the problems are solved. Okay, let's check with some example. Example number A. 12 and 1 by 3 plus 10 and 5 by 6 minus 7 and 2 by 3 minus 1 and 4 by 7. All these are the mixed fractions. So first we change them into an improper fraction. Okay. So 37 by 3 plus 65 by 6 minus 23 by 3 minus 11 by 7. Okay. Now we find out LCM of all the denominators, that is 3, 6, 3 and 7, which is 42. So 42. So 3 is multiplied with 14 to get the value 42 as its denominator. 37 is also multiplied with 14 plus 65 is multiplied with 7 as 6 is multiplied with 7 to get the value 42 minus 23 is multiplied with 14 as 3 is multiplied with 14 minus 11 is multiplied with 6 as 7 is multiplied with 6 by 42. So 37 into 14, that is 518 plus 65 into 7, that is 455 minus 23 into 14 is equals to 322 minus 11 into 6, that is 66 divided by 42. According to the Badmash rule, we first do addition then subtraction, that is 518 plus 455 is equals to 973 minus 322 minus 66 divided by 42. 973 minus 322 is equals to 651 minus 66 divided by 42, and 651 minus 66 is equals to 585 divided by 42. Now 585 and 42 both are divisible by 3, so we cut them by 3 and get the value 195 by 14, which is an improper fraction, so we change it into a mixed fraction, that is 13 and 13 by 14. Okay. Now come to example number B. 1 and 1 by 4 plus 1 and 5 by 9 into 1 and 5 by 8 divided by 6 and 1 by 2. All these are the mixed fractions, so we change them into improper fraction, that is 5 by 4 plus 14 by 9 into 13 by 8 divided by 13 by 2. According to the rule of Badmash, we first do the division, then multiplication, then addition. So 5 by 4 plus 14 by 9 into 13 by 8. To do the division of the fraction, we multiply the dividend, that is 13 by 8, with the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 2 by 13. Now 13 and 13 can cut by 13. So cut. 2 and 8 both are divisible by 2. So we cut them by 2, that is 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. That is 4. So get the value 1 by 4. Now multiplication, that is 5 by 4 plus 14 by 9 into 1 by 4. 4 and 14 both are divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Okay, so get the value 7 by 18. Now addition, 5 by 4 plus 7 by 18. So the LCM of 4 and 18 is equals to 36. Now 4 is multiplied with 9. So 5 is also multiplied with 9 plus 7 is multiplied with 2 as 18 is multiplied with 2. That is equals to 45 plus 14 divided by 36, which means 59 by 36. This is an improper fraction, so we change it into a mixed fraction, that is 1 and 23 by 36. Okay. Now come to example number C. 9 minus 1 and 2 by 9 of 3 and 3 by 11 divided by 5 and 1 by 7 of 7 by 9. First, we change all the mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 9 minus 11 by 9 of 36 by 11 divided by 36 by 7 of 7 by 9. According to the rule of Badmash, we first do of, then division, then subtraction. So 9 minus 11 by 9 into 36 by 11, as of means multiply, divided by 36 by 7 of, that is into 7 by 9. Okay. 11 and 11 can cut by 11, so cut. 36 and 9 can cut by 9, that is 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. 36 and 9 can cut by 9, that is 4 and 1. 7 and 7 can cut by 7, that is 1. So we get the value 9 minus 4 divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4, that is 1. So 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Okay. Now come to example number D. 1 plus 2 divided by second bracket, 1 plus 2 divided by first bracket, 1 plus 1 by 3 first bracket and second bracket. So this is called the second bracket and this is called the first bracket. According to the rule of Badmash, we first do the problems of bracket. That is, first we do the work of first bracket, that is this. So 1 plus 2 divided by second bracket, 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 3 by 3, that is 4 by 3. Now we do the operations of the second bracket, that is this part. So 1 plus 2 divided by second bracket, 1 plus 2 divided by 4 by 3. Now to do the division of the fraction, we multiply the dividend, that is 2, with the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 3 by 4. 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So we cut them by 2, that is 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 2. So get the value 1 plus 2 divided by second bracket 1 plus 3 by 2. That is 1 plus 2 divided by 5 by 2. Now 1 plus 2 into 2 by 5, as in case of division of the fraction we multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. So 1 plus 4 by 5, that is 9 by 5, which is an improper fraction. So we change it into mixed fraction, that is 1 and 4 by 5. So today after this, in the next video, I will be discussing on the story problems of the fraction. So if you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, then please give a big thumbs up to this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, keep learning. Thank you.